This is say you can handle yourself. But no, that mean me no worry same way, you know. Come down and nothing to you. But it is what it is.
That's not good enough. You need for pressure him.
I've been doing that.
Get serious about it, Tony. You invest a whole heap of money in him, you know? And you have not seen anything substantial from him to date.
Well, him get the mahogany for build the coffin them from up a Maroon town.
That's at the least. Your life is in the balance with F.I.S.T. So you need to get the container so that you can send it off.
You really think F.I.S.T stupid? Them now come after me.
Really? And what would make you so special?
The organization is comprised of 4 top-tier agency members. Them initial make up the word F.I.S.T. Them rule with fear because nobody no know them identity. But me know, so them now go run the risk there.
Jesus Christ, man! Tony, do yourself a favor and find the container ASAP and send it off. You have a woman, you have a child, you have me, your cousin. We could have get terminated just because of your dumb actions, yo.
What you say? You know want me declare a all-out war?
When? After the fact? After your woman, your child, or me gets killed? So, you're not trying to prevent a war. You're trying to provoke one? Be careful, Tony. You see, the last person that was this arrogant is rotting in a Mexican prison.
It's interesting you should use that as an example. When you put him there. Some to take what you say as a threat?
Take it any way you want to take it. But no one puts my life in danger again because of arrogance. And that includes family.
Miranda, what really happened between you and Savage? Why you decide to put him where?
What happened with him is what is happening with you. You don't think about nobody. When you not do, you not do. You don't think about the consequences of your actions and how it actually can affect people around you.
We are going like back in the days when we used to come at them place to come fishing. Yeah? We are big man, you know, yeah?
You see that?
We know the streets.
I see that. You big is right. Yeah, literally big. Why are your father you get the height from still?
Yeah, man, giant.
May I tell you, man. But yeah, because family is everything. But as we say, you have to protect them. So just glad we go make a connection there again. So me go down there more often now and make everybody see me.
Talking about family. What going with Marcus?
Because between me and you, Marcus good. But it's a sensitive topic and we don't really want much information leak out. But trust me, Marcus good. You soon see.
Well, you don't know anything I say I go in. I'm good with that. Oh, so you run the project up at Hilltop?
No? What do you mean?
See it there?
So you and him did romantically involved?
Yeah. He was supposed to be the one that I settled down and have a family with. After the passing of his daughter, he just get reckless. It's like he never even care whether him live or dead. Me used to beg him for stop being so stubborn. And just focus on us. He was supposed to be the reason we settle down and come out of the agency and try for a new life.
So why you never tell me say you and him did involve? You know, honestly, I wouldn't try after him, you know.
When you there go after him, I was off the grid.
That after you get shot?
Yeah.
That him make you get shot?
Yeah. After the raid at Copacabana, Savage killed 2 of the dealer them. And them come after me because he was out of the country and I was still there. It took them 2 months for strike.
So why you never just leave the country too?
I was so close to closing a lead on the case. And even though him take out 2 of the dealer them, he just want to get to the main cell still.
But them find you first.
Yeah. And it was during the prep for the surgery. Them find out I'm pregnant.
What? So you did actually have a child for real?
The blood loss was so much that it was either me or the baby. And they took everything.
Really? Cause?
You know how much my dream of becoming a mother? And then take that from me.
And you never said anything about this from before?
No. Because me did busy and make sure say all who involved pay.
Including Savage?
Especially Savage. He is the reason why they came after me. He is the reason that I lost the most important, life-changing experience I would have ever had in my life. I'ma never forgive him for that. And when I came back to Jamaica, I realized that he was the same arrogant, self-centered individual I had met years earlier.
Well, one thing I can say, I'm glad to me and your family. Because maybe I would end up in a prison too.
I try to keep you out of prison, Tony. And out of one of them agony box there where they don't have a funeral parlor too.